In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an impressive online portfolio using Google and Wix. If you're looking to showcase your work professionally, this guide will help you set up a stunning website in just a few steps. Let's dive right into it. First, open your favorite web browser and head over to Google. There, type in Wix templates and press search. This will bring up a range of Wix template options. The idea here is to find something that suits your style and needs. So take your time to browse through the templates. Once you've landed on the Wix templates page, navigate to the Portfolio and CV section. This is specifically designed for showcasing personal work, so it provides an excellent starting point. You'll find a variety of layouts tailored for photographers, designers, artists, and more. After selecting a template you'd like to use, click on the Edit button. This action will open up the Wix editor, where you'll be personalizing your chosen template to fit your personal brand and style. Customization is where you get to inject your creativity, making your website truly your own. As you enter the editor, look for the option labeled Highlight in the menu. This is where you can make significant changes to the text fields on your template. Once you find it, click on it and then select the Generate Site Text option. This handy tool helps automate some of the text creation, making your life a bit easier. In various sections while editing, you'll frequently spot the Highlight button. Click on it whenever you see it. This helps to bring focus to essential elements of your portfolio. Moving on to your images, navigate to the current images in the template and choose Change Image to upload your own. This is crucial because your portfolio's visuals should reflect your unique style and showcase your best work. Click Start adding your files, and then upload any necessary images from your computer library. As you customize further, scan for the Highlight button and feel free to tweak and refine the different elements. You will often have features like text, images, videos, and buttons that need personal adjustments. These make your portfolio interactive and visually appealing, drawing viewers' attention to different areas of your site. Don't forget about music or video content, as it can add depth to your portfolio. Under the Video and Music section, incorporate multimedia elements that complement your work and enhance the visitor's experience. And there you have it, your guide to building a standout online portfolio using Wix and Google. By following these steps, you'll have a professional-looking website up and running in no time, ready to impress potential clients or employers. Thanks for joining me today, and happy creating!